Hey, this is Unnati speaking on your screen talking to you. So I'm back and I've decided to do a 188 days challenge, which is exactly 6 months and 5 days from now, as of 26th June 2026, and it is Friday today. Welcome to my series where I'm going to share and let you guys deep dive into my notes. Yeah, so I'm a night owl and I write a lot when I am awake at night, which is around 3 a.m. Yeah, yes, you are correct. We are diving into 3 a.m.s. So, this is my day one. I hope you'll stay connected to day 188. So, I've crossed and passed years, wasting my nights, days, weeks, months, and years waiting for the perfect moment and time to start doing things. And when I finally did, it blew my mind. It blew my mind to see how much I can do and how much of a zeal I hold. And so, when you, a person, knows how much they are capable of, they really start to admire themselves. And for once, or once in a while, they look around and look back of the life they've spent till now, feeling like a fool, like, why? Why didn't I start sooner? I was living my whole life feeling like nothing. And now that I know I'm not just an ordinary person, I deserve everything in the world. And so should I give myself everything in the world. But, there's a but. This feeling doesn't stay for long, and when you know how much you could have told, could have, how much you have left, and how many things you have done halfway through, you know it was your fault. And even though you have a life ahead of you, you sob and cry over the past few years that literally built you as a person. Trust me, the poorer the person, greater their values. Here, we are not talking about money, but money does count. We'll talk about it. Hear me first. Trust me, the poorer the person, the greater their values. No, money doesn't count. But when you have grown listening harshly, facing harsh, yearning for love, understanding, they, the poorer, know better. They know better how to serve better, how to love better, how to accept better, and how to understand better. Because they know what it feels like to be on the other side of the story. And then comes the money. And here comes the money. The poor is depicted as the one who yearns. Money has a lot of power, and to be raw, it buys a lot of things. Again, not materialistic. But we live in a narcissist society, and to survive in a battlefield, you must have authenticity to have the same weapons or armor. But here, those weapons and armor both are represented when you have the money. Because, darling, money does buy a lot of things, such as respect, pride, salutations, addressment, vote, food, and everything that side you can buy. But what you can't buy is the urge to love. And that too can be fulfilled when you have money. A person with urge to love and to show how they feel can be limited to and by money. Because when you love, you tend to give. Give your time, your presence, your love, and not all who we love live at the same place, right? Money does count when you want to be there for your loved ones, when you want to prove your love just by being there for them. Where you want to do things for them, where you want to fulfill all of their wishes, pretending like you've never heard it in them. So yes, people like me. We try to see our lives backwards more than the life we have ahead. I try to put myself out there, but something that still cries has a lot to handle. And I know I can handle it. But again, when you are defeated by your own brain, you surrender. Thank you for staying till now. Signing off, Unnati Singh.